And this tutorial will actually show you how to drop shadow to text in GIMP. So for example, let's create a new text. So I click on text tool and then I click somewhere here. Now I change font and color of the text. So I click here and I select here black. Then I click OK button and I type from my keyboard simple text. Now I will change position of this text. So I will move it maybe somewhere here. And after that, we need to go to Filters tab. Then we need to go to Light and Shadow. And here we have something like Drop Shadow. It will let us to create a drop shadow effect on the input buffer. So I click on it. And then we can modify position of the shadow. You can decrease or increase this value. Everything depends on your preferences. You can increase or decrease blur radius. How you see it looks really great. You can increase or decrease opacity, or you can set the color or grow shape. So how you see effect is really great. If you would like to apply change, you need to click OK button and shadow will be successfully added to your text in GIMP. So it's all for today. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Let me know in comment if I helped you to solve your problem.